Well, hello, this is Lisa and Joni from the Chick Crew. Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about how to use a screwdriver set.
Let's go!
So this can be used both manually and with your power drill, which is also can be called a screw gun, okay? And today's episode is about how to use these interchangeable screw bits.
Like parts and pieces, huh?
Yeah, exactly. So,
and Lisa, some are, okay, so you've got your Phillips.
right.
You got your slotted.
Right.
You've got your
There's square,
Torx.
there's Torx or star
We like
bits.
to call them stars.
I do. All different sizes. There's like hex, shaped, you name it, and then it goes through the whole diameter of sizes. So,
Hey, Lisa, the other thing I want to say, when you buy furniture in the kits, the way everybody's doing it now,
Right.
There's
like
a lot,
IKEA.
yeah, or just
I
about
needed
everything
that.
online that you buy,
Right.
They call out some of this stuff,
Right.
so it's really handy.
So if you're going to do it manually, this is great. This is a screwdriver that you can, obviously buy in the hardware store. A lot of times they'll have the whole kit with it.
Yeah.
They'll have a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips head, and then a couple of stars or Torx.
Yeah.
But they're magnetic. You just put them in here like this, boom. And there you go, manually.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can put it in your screw gun. And like we had shown you with a drill bit last episode, you do the same thing here, okay? And if you haven't seen that episode, if you could look at the previous episode up at the top right of your screen, it'll be there for you. But anyway, so with that said, like I have what's called a Torx screw head here. And what fits into that one is this little gold head with that, and it fits in here perfectly, just like that. And so anyway,
Here's the one for the lag bolts. That's really handy because lags have aggressive threads on them.
Right.
And it's nice to be able to drive them in with one of these.
and that's magnetic
look at
as well.
Magnetic.
Look at that. So yes, so that's how you utilize basically a screw bit.
This is a great tool.
I love that for manual. Yeah, and I love the whole kit.
Yeah, because you've got a Phillips, you've got a slotted,
Right.
you got everything else that you could possibly need.
Right. I mean, look at this. There's 6 on each row. And by the way, the one thing I don't like about these, I love these kits, but the one thing I don't like about them is they're kind of hard to, if you put them all down the way they're supposed to be, like this, it's a little difficult to pull them back up. I don't know why they make it so uncomfortable.
You know what I say? Grow a set.
Good point.
Man up.
And you could always use a screwdriver.
You could always use
to scoop them up. Yes. Yeah. So anyway, the key here is adaptability. That's what this is all about, is this kit. And I love it. My husband is one that has a lot of different screws for whatever everyday projects. And so this is awesome. When we need a different head, they're
Hey,
right
Lisa,
here.
look what I discovered. On this one, had a little thing on here.
A secret compartment. Oh my gosh, and there are the drill bits right there. The screw bits right there.
This is a little Torx.
Yep.
Slotted.
Another smaller slotted.
Mini slotted.
Nice. That's like awesome. You could put like money in there. I
is
like
great.
that.
And this is a snap-on, which is like
Oh,
super badass tools.
nice. All right.
Yeah.
There you go. So what about being adaptable? Shall we talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, let's.
So,
I feel like I'm pretty adaptable.
I would say no. But
Why?
anyway, well, because I don't think you are. I think you're gonna.
What the?
No, you are. You are. I think.
You know, I don't know if you're that adaptable.
I am.
Just a
My face is
freaking
getting red
driver,
because she's calling me out.
driver.
I'm a driver. That doesn't mean I'm not adaptable, though. Like when things change, I might go with the flow. Totally. And I think adaptability has to do with that. It's like you might have a mindset for what's going to happen for the day, and then something happens, whether it be a right-hand turn or things just don't go the right way. And you just got to kind of take a
Or
deep breath.
friend shows up unexpectedly.
Right. Which I always love that.
I know.
I wish you'd stop by sometimes. You never do that.
I will if you want me to.
Yeah, I think it'd be great.
Okay.
But yeah, did you have that happen to you?
Yes, I did. And you know, it was fun and I didn't expect it. I didn't get done what I needed to, but who cares?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Live.
Yeah,
Live
exactly.
our lives.
Exactly. So be adaptable.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right. Well, if you like this episode, make sure you give us the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Chick Crew. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next episode.